everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you how to wipe it down tutorial on TikTok. I know that one is so popular today, and one of my friends asked me how to do it, so let's do it. Hey everyone, so today we are gonna try to do the wipe it down challenge. I'm gonna show you how I do it. It's actually my first time doing it right now, but we will see if this is gonna be successful. And this is how I do it because I never use any editing app for doing TikToks, so I'm just doing it directly to TikTok. So let's do it. So all I have to do is I have my phone here, so all we need is of course our TikTok app. We're gonna go find the audio that we need, so we're doing the wipe it down, the mirror one, so this one here. So I'm gonna pick that one. We need a mirror, guys. So this is how I set up. I have my my stand here, and I move my mirror here because I don't have any other bigger mirrors. So this is what we're gonna be using, and we'll try to do it. Let's do it right now. So we'll have to record the next clip. I don't need to do this because this is what we're gonna cut later on. And then and then we'll do another one. So I don't need to click something here. And then this is the ending one. Okay, we'll see. Let me see. Okay, so I save it in the drafts, and right now it's time to do the change. So, and then we're gonna change whatever we're wearing right now. So we're gonna change clothes, but let's put some makeup. And really so I know I wear blush on, but I wear lipstick instead. I wanna use red for my face right now because we're gonna choose red. It's kind of like maroon to wear. This is me being cheap. Alright. So at least I can still wipe it, because we're gonna be wearing this one. Hard. Life is hard. Oh Lord, I never had problem before on this thing before I went YouTube. Now I have a big problem. I think this is okay. Who cares? They're not gonna notice it anyway if they're not balanced, right? I think I look like someone's look like someone tortured me, but okay. Okay, we'll be fine. And I don't want to do my hair, so what we're gonna do, we're just gonna, like, that style is like a messed up style, like our life is messed up, but yeah. It's time to change it. This is what we're gonna be wearing. Okay, so this will do. And our hair, we're just gonna do, so let's just do this. and I'm just gonna record. So operations, what we're gonna do is, let's do another, let's finish our wipe it down challenge, huh? Let's open the TikTok app, and what we'll do is we're gonna remove the ones we already had. So what we could do is go to the clips. Oh shoot, where is this? There's where you could edit adjust clips here. You click that, and this is what we're editing here. So this one, then you just start over. So you can do it again. So that's where we're cutting, and then we'll see. And we'll do is, what we'll do, we'll, so this is where we're editing. Start over. Okay, ready? 1, 2. Let's check. Okay, I think that will do, and then and then this one, we'll restart over here, and then what we'll do is, here. Now let's see, and we'll see how it looks like.
Wipe it down. Wipe it down. Wipe.
So that's it. I hope you like it, and let me know if you want to know more about it. I'm actually not that good at it, but I just figured out one today, so I figured to share it with you guys. And leave me a comment below, and please hit the thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to share it to your friends, and please subscribe to my channel if you're new to my channel, of course. Have a good day, everyone, and I hope to see you again next time. Bye.